Every large case that we handle, we staff with a paralegal in the office with at least 25 years of experience, as well as a nurse paralegal that I've worked with for about 18 years to help us digest the medical records and find us medical experts and conference with the doctors on these cases. We also will call upon liability experts, whether it is an engineer, a flight expert, a railroad expert is another expert that we got involved in a case recently, a metallurgist, an expert in engineering a particular area, such as a ladder failure case. We'll staff up with the right expert witnesses, and we'll retain these individuals to do forensic evaluations, inspections, testing to prove how an accident occurred, reconstruct an accident, and also prove the damages side of the case. Another very important aspect of cases is we get involved with life care planners. If a person has a very serious accident and they've had medical care in the past, they may need medical treatment for the rest of their life. And they may also not be able to work like they could before an accident. So oftentimes what we do is we'll engage a life care planner to put together a plan to talk about what a person's going to need for care for the balance of their life, and also talk about how much less they may be able to earn in terms of money in the balance of their career out to their work-life expectancy. Then we'll take these reports and we'll take them to an economic expert who'll give us a present money value opinion. They'll tell us how many dollars are needed to replace what a person's lost for their wages and their medical care in the past and future for a case. And that really that's just the little part of damages in a case like what we work on, because then we'll get to talk about the pain and suffering, the mental anguish, the emotional distress, the inconvenience, and the loss of enjoyment for the capacity of life. So the expert witnesses come together to give us the foundation, and we really explain the case to the jury. Additionally, what we do is oftentimes we believe that practice makes perfect, and so we'll engage a technique called focus group. We'll actually go out there and hire everyday citizens like you and I to come to a facility and try the case confidentially. The mock jurors will come in, they'll evaluate the case, they'll hear a real opening statement from both the plaintiff's perspective and defense perspective, and they'll vote. And they'll tell you what arguments are winners and which are losers. They'll tell you what they like about your case and what they don't like about your case. And then you can go back and you can fine-tune your argument. So we really have a pretty good idea how a case will be received by a jury before you ever enter the courtroom. We believe that gives us a strategic advantage in our cases.